Well, boys, we made it to another abandoned place in the same day. You know, the real grind. Wow, yeah, so what we're doing, boys, we're just driving. I don't know why I said boys like that. We were just driving, and then somehow, some way, we saw this freaking house posted private property. Violators will be prosecuted. What if we go in and a bunch of freaking homeless people start jumping us?
All right.
No trespassing, hunting, or fishing. Screw it. You know, I was gonna jump over it, but I didn't even see a route right here. There's a freaking route. Welcome to the Blair Witch Project. Wow, my camera's bugging out already. Woo. Blair Witch, dude. What the frick? Hold on, I need a photo. Oh my God, there's an old car. What the frick? This place is even more insane than I thought it would be. Huh? Is that a cab? Like the cab for a truck? Yeah. Bruh. You know, we thought nothing of this. Oh, what you see right there? Wait.
I'll go in there. There's dirt.
Oh, the spiders.
It's an old Ford.
Dad, you think we could reconstruct it?
No.
Look at that. It's all broken. We're still gonna go in that house, don't worry. We're just checking this out. It's just a sick place.
Yeah, part right there. That's part of it.
Yeah. Nice.
I ain't going in there.
No, you neither. Let's get into this house though. I have a feeling stuff is in here still.
Windows are gone though.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, it was a Ford.
Yeah,
FO. Look at that.
Well, at least I got my tetanus shot, so if I get hit by a rock, I'm good.
I don't have a tennis shot.
Sheriff Department.
Put your hands up. Oh my. Oh, look how old these are.
Oh, shit, this house is trash. Just careful, we don't want the roof caving in on us. Well, someone who used to live in here, Harley Davidson.
You know, let's talk the roof getting caved on us.
Now watch where you stop if you go too forward.
Lift that up. All that dust. That asbestos. This is literally from the Blair Witch Project.
Ew, that animal. Raccoon.
That's what that smell was.
Careful. Yeah, this place fucking trash.
It's an upstairs.
Old but trash.
Very old.
Kitchen. Oh shit, basement.
There's a basement. Oh my God. There's a way down there.
Stairs look sketchy.
Let me see. Excuse me. It's a freaking bug. There's nothing really down there. I'm like freaking dying from spiders.
No.
I'm scared. Sorry, that's the only thing I'm really scared of. It's bugs. Imagine falling headfirst into that dead rodent.
That would suck.
Oh. Oh.
Careful, remember that's where it caved in at.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Huh?
Just come over here.
Trash?
Oh!
What?
I almost just died.
Yeah, careful.
This is a roof.
I might find a dead body in this bitch.
Oh my God. I'm really just scared of the floor.
Yeah, I know.
There's an bed. I saw someone have an alcohol problem here.
Well, definitely have.
There's another upstairs. I'm scared to see a body. Cowboy boots. Come on. Can I go up? Ah! Spider. Eggs. I still want to go up though. Antique stuff though. You can go take it to that one place. This is insane. What?
Yeah, a different party here.
Oh my god, it's vintage. I take a video of this part. It's all beer bottles. It's freaking from like the 1800s. How much pounds is that? You just picked that up? Yeah.
20 pounds. Yeah.
Ice skates, dude. That's sick as hell. Don't throw it.
House fucking caves in.
Yeah, it was really risky.
Alright.
Oh, this is a pretty cool place. Frickin' from the Blair Witch Project. It's pretty sick, man. The frick is this flower water? Bruh. I want some flower water. Raspberry lemonade. These are new. 2021.
Someone probably comes back here.
You think so? It's a little fine.
Yeah.
We found this place too. Off the road. Well, boys, that was the quick little find. This freaking house. This whole freaking house, dude. This from straight out of the Blair Witch Project. Straight out of the Blair Witch Project. But yeah, that was a little find. Pretty sick if you ask me. But
Yep.
that was the video, guys. If you guys like content like this, just sub. You can. It's free. You don't have to, but yeah, that was.
You have to.
You have to get you're forced to, but
Want to see more videos like this?
yeah, but yeah, that was the video. If you guys enjoyed, so like the video. Peace.
I know that you don't